A state-by-state breakdown of U.S. coronavirus cases. The first U.S. case of the coronavirus was reported in January, a Washington state man who had recently returned from China. A little more than a month later, the country has reported at least 48 cases in 49 states, Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands and the District of Columbia. At least 50 people have died. 37 in Washington state, 5 in California, 2 in Florida and 1 each in Colorado, Georgia, Kansas, New Jersey, New York and South Dakota. CNN revised the number of cases and deaths in Florida down on Saturday after it was determined that a Florida resident who died in California was counted twice. Both states had accounted for that individual. As local leaders work to curb the spread of the virus within the U.S., health officials say they expect the number of cases to keep climbing as more people are tested. The people in the U.S. who have tested positive includes 46 who were repatriated from the Diamond Princess cruise ship docked in Japan, 21 repatriated from the Grand Princess cruise ship stuck for days off California, and 3 repatriated from Wuhan, China. Live update scif window.pymfunctionbc vard equals document.createlement script d type equals text javascript d state dion read static in g equals function loaded equals dreadyste complete equals d state and dion read static in g equals null cd on let equals function cdsrc equals b document.getelementsbythenamb head 0.appendtchilttcdn.cnn.com cnn.theinteractive.js lib vendor pim.v1.min.js function new pim.parent responsive embed 20,200,306 OVID19x.cnn.io daily graphics 20,200,306 USCO VID19 index.html title CNN graphic else var responsive md equals new pim.parent responsive embed 20,200,306 USCO VID19x.cnn.io daily graphics 20,200,306 USCO VID19 index.html title CNN graphic. Here are the rest of the cases, broken down by state. Alabama, 5 Alaska, 1 Arizona, 10 Arkansas, 12 California, 265, including 5 deaths, Colorado, 101, including 1 death, Connecticut, 11 Delaware, 6 District of Columbia, 10 Florida, 76, including 2 deaths, Georgia, 66, including 1 death, Hawaii, 2 Idaho, 2 Illinois, 64, Indiana, 15 Iowa, 17 Kansas, 8, including 1 death, Kentucky, 14 Louisiana, 67 Maine, 3 Maryland, 26 Massachusetts, 123 Michigan, 25 Minnesota, 21 Mississippi, 6 Missouri, 4 Montana, 5 Nebraska, 14 Nevada, 18 New Hampshire, 7 New Jersey, 50, including 1 death, New Mexico, 10 New York, 524, including 1 death, North Carolina, 23 North Dakota, 1 Ohio, 26 Oklahoma, 4 Oregon, 30 Pennsylvania, 45 Puerto Rico, 3 Rhode Island, 20 South Carolina, 19 South Dakota, 9, including 1 death, Tennessee, 32 Texas, 51 U.S. Virgin Islands, 1 Utah, 9 Vermont, 4 Virginia, 30 Washington, 568, including 37 deaths, West Virginia. No reported cases, Wisconsin, 19 Wyoming, 2 correction. This story has been updated with the correct number of cases for Wisconsin. Also, an earlier version of this story misstated the number of coronavirus cases repatriated from the Diamond Princess cruise ship. It is 46. On March 14, CNN revised the U.S. death count, taking it down by one after discovering a double count of one death. This article has been updated to correct the count going forward. CNN's Tina Burnside, Jason Hanna, Karma Hassan, Jamie L. Lynch, Rebecca Reese, Andy Rose, Christina Skeglia, Holly Silverman, Amir Vera and Holly Yan contributed to this report. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.